Hello, hello, everybody. After so much hard work, and everything that happens here in this part of the world, sometimes wives have strange ways to show their appreciation to their husbands, for their hard work, for strategy, for everything that us husbands do on a daily basis. No, not just for our wives, but for ourselves and for the entire family. And this is one way of my wife to my wife rather to say thank you, sweetheart, thank you, babes, for being who you are and doing what you do. My job is not easy, believe it or not, but this is her way of saying thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And yeah, I mean, in Tagalog, hindi ako gumagaya kay Mr. Ryan Cortez, kaibigan ko yan, no? Ito yung binigay sa akin, Foldsy na lang yung sa akin, ha? Ito na lang, ha? Ayan, ayos, wastig, oh. Oh, Stig, ang galing, no? I love you, babes.